Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Uber account. So first of all, launch open Uber application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Uber application has been opened. At bottom of this interface, you'll be able to find the option for get started. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log in or sign up for your account. You can either continue with your mobile number or you can also continue with Google or continue with email. So simply tap on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to tap on the option continue with email. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your email address. So simply enter your email address on the field of email. You can see over here I've already entered it. After doing that, tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here a 4-digit code will be sent to your email address. All you have to do is launch open Gmail. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Uber has sent me the email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the verification code, memorize this code, go back to the Uber application. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Uber account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.